Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel and I hope you are doing great. So friends, in this working video, I'm going to show you the beautiful real estate admin dashboard template in Angular 20. So friends, before showing you working demo, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. So guys see the Angular 20 real estate admin dashboard. See, sidebar and toggle effects. See, just brilliant. And beautiful content section. See guys, dark and light view. See, works well. Notifications, messages, like chat and other services like notes. See guys, and use a toggle as well. And here's the beautiful content section. See guys, property sales, property for rent, total customer and total city, total revenue bar chart. See friends, just brilliant. And other stats. See, this is setting. See friends, this is setting tab. And overview chart, sequence beautiful chart, total sales, customer reviews, pie chart, recent customers, and my favorite, the properties map chart. See guys, just brilliant. So guys, see the beautiful admin dashboard template, real estate. Now friends, if you will have any kind of queries, session requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog. Here's contact us page. In this page, you'll get my email ID, my WhatsApp number, and my Upwork ID as well. And guys, also a full-time freelancer available for 24 hours. And also, my blog, you'll get all the free things like Angular admin dashboard, e-commerce templates, same for React, Vue, Laravel, WordPress, and thousands of free other admin dashboard templates as well. See, so guys, this is it. And friends, in the end, I must say a few things. Please subscribe my channel and please support me. And also, thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.